In front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to adjust attributes of your club's player. In the beginning, let's go to Clubs and select My Pro. Now, go to Edit, and here you can upgrade attributes. Take a look at the top right corner. Right here we've got attribute points. You gain attribute points by leveling up your player. To check how many attribute points you gain for level, take a look right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.